sunlight exposure. So, that thing is one part, but diet-wise, if you ask me, you need to have a lot of leafy vegetables. People who prefer non-veg as their food habit, they should have eggs and chicken, right? Which will give them the adequate amount of proteins, because proteins is required for muscle building. I do not emphasize on taking a lot of steroids or protein powders artificially. Something natural sources जो हमारे पास available है, उसी में अपना balance अच्छे से maintain करना, portions अच्छा रखना, कि आप carbs का portion छोटा रख के fibers and vitamins and बाकी nutritions का portion ज़्यादा रखिए, cottage cheese, पनीर वगैरह include करिए, have milk in your diet so that you get good calcium intake as well. So these things, as a general thing, I can tell you, but if you want to understand it in more detail, then a proper dietitian will be the right person who can address this answer of your थोड़ा सा और depth में.
Ma'am, actually, did you guys faced any problem during the COVID? Or?
So yeah, I was not in QI studies during COVID. I was pursuing my post-graduation, so I was into active COVID duty. I was in GMC, Government Medical College, Nagpur, where we had a lot of COVID patients there. So I was actively doing COVID duty. I was not a part of KeySpine. I was pursuing my post-graduation back then during the second wave of COVID. So here the clinic had to be kept closed because it's a lot of physical contact. Coming in contact with the patient, which was not advisable medically and ethically during that time. So we actually again went on to the teleconsultation part, if you know. Teleconsultation is something which has emerged because of COVID, I will tell you. Because kabhi physical contact nahi allowed tha, so through video conferencing, through video calls, we tried to get in touch with the patients maximally, so that जिनको ज़रूरत है सच में, जिनको break नहीं दिया जा सकता, जिनको खुद से हम नहीं बोल सकते, आप कर लो खुद से, so such people we contacted them via video conferencing so as to guide them out.
Lovely.
How does the organization helps making the role for the safety of employees or the working conditions?
I think she asked me the same question. Yes.
Okay.
Any queries? Done?
Any other questions?
So, what is the main reason because of which the spinal pain occurs?
See, young people में बहुत reasons हो सकते हैं. लोग IT में काम करते हैं, long hours of sitting, students हैं, long hours of sitting again, not taking care of their posture, derangement जिसको बोलते हैं, lot of slip disc problem, right? Sudden lifting कर दिया कुछ, जितना आपके spine का capacity नहीं है, दे दीजिए ना, okay? Spine का capacity नहीं होने की वजह से sudden pressure आ गया nerve के ऊपर, तो पूरा पैर में चला गया pain. So multiple reasons, जैसे मैंने बताया spinal tumors, infections, right? Angst, arthritis वाला जो part होता है, ऐसे बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं. That is multifactorial. It depends purely from patient to patient.
Done?
Yeah.
So thank you. Yeah.
Yes, sure.
So my last question is,
Yes.
what kind of a challenges faced by the doctors as well as patients too in different ways?
So as I had actually covered it up in the initial segment as well, that meeting of the expectations and coming up with the outcomes that we have assured the patient with. Because day one of consultation, we have told them that this is going to be, you are going to get 70 to 80% better after 6 weeks or 8 weeks of treatment, depending on the severity of their problem, or after 12 weeks of treatment. Then the road to it, so that we make sure that patient इतना % better है जितना हमने उनको बोला है. तो वो चीज़ एक मैनेज करना, because we, as I've already told, we get to see a lot of difficult cases. There are patients, we get patient population who have tried out literally everything which is available, and then they come up here. So it's like सब कुछ ही कर लिया है, तो it is our duty, it is our responsibility that way, that अभी patient को किस तरह से हम relief दिला सकते हैं. And also कभी-कभी कुछ cases में हमें ये बोलना ही पड़ता है कि आप 100% ठीक नहीं हो सकते. There are certain things, there are some old population है, geriatric है, aged है बहुत ज़्यादा, okay, bones बहुत degenerated है, so थोड़ा बहुत pain हमेशा लगा ही रहने वाला है. So making the patient understand that, that you are going to have this problem थोड़ा लंबे टाइम तक, you have to keep exercising 2-3 साल तक या 6 महीने तक या 8 महीने तक, depending on the problem. So keeping the doctor and the patient aligned on the same page and meeting up the expectation part, I feel, is the challenge for the doctor, but with the right team, the right approach, the right methods and the right ethical practice, with the assistance of a good technology, I think we are really, really managing these challenges in a very right and fruitful way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving your precious time. And
My pleasure.
one thing I want to tell you that you are not a good therapist, as well as you are a very good teacher. Okay, thank you very much. Clap for her.